Greetings to all the lovely brothers and sisters everywhere you find yourself, all the networkers across the whole world. Wherever you find yourself, this is your lovely brother Asitanga Joseph speaking from Ghana. Yes, I just want to share some experience to all the networkers across the world, wherever you find yourself. If you are doing network marketing and you call yourself a networker, which is a professional networker, I want you to first of all subscribe to my YouTube channel Commander One TV, so that all the time you can have access to the videos inside this channel. You can get more experience about how to build a system through Commander One TV YouTube channel. If you subscribe the channel, turn on the notification bell for more information. Always, if I upload a new video into the channel, you will get access to my videos. Okay. Yeah, what I want to share with all the networkers everywhere is this. We are talking about a network marketing, a system building. It is something we are doing for so many years. A system building, it is something we are doing for the generation to come and meet it. So we have some steps, and we need to know these steps that can help us to build our system wherever you find yourself. First of all, the steps that I want us to talk about it today, it is about 6 steps I want us to discuss. How you can do to build a system through network marketing. First of all, you need to understand it's a process. First of all, you need to understand the system building is a process. It's a long term. There's supposed to be some vision ahead of you, that you will be thinking about how the future is going to be. So if you understand it's a process, then you need to take on step by step. Then you can what? You can build it well. If you don't understand that it's a process and you don't commit yourself to the process, there is no way you can do network marketing. It's a process. So the beginning, something you need to start. So after you start and you start the process, what do you need to do? Secondly, you need to learn. You need to have more experience about the business. You need to understand what actually thing you are doing. You need to understand the reason why you are doing it. You need to understand the benefit that you are going to get from it. So if you understand all this, you need to learn about it very well. Understand it more and do it well. And again, third point, you need to train. You understand? You need to train very well. Training is key to anybody doing network marketing. If you want to achieve a bigger dreams in life, if you want to achieve whatever you want in life, you need to be well trained. As you are learning on the process, you train very well. Train your people. You train the followers following you. If they always have training, they always have experience of whatever they do, there is no way you cannot achieve your dreams. So training is key thing that we need to train. We need to train very well. We need to learn more experience from the system itself. And we need to train ourselves again. We need to share experience together. If we have that experience, sharing together, showing each other opinions, that can help us to build our system. There is no way we cannot achieve in network marketing. So, these are some of the keys that we need to do in the system to able to build the system very well. And more to the point, we need to learn how to manage our emotions. Our emotions is very, very important, because sometimes you feel like quitting. You feel like I cannot do it. It is difficult. I cannot do it. And others are making it, but me, I don't understand the reason why I am doing it and I cannot do. It is your mindset that give you that. It is your mindset that deceive you. You cannot do it. You can do it, and even better than others. You need to believe yourself and control your emotional actions. If you doesn't control yourself, you cannot do it. So you need to control your emotions, so that you can do what? You can build a system and achieve your dreams. But without that, and you feel like I cannot do it, I'm going to quit, and you quit, there is no way you can win. Understand, quitters never win. You understand? But people who are on the process, working without stopping, they are the people who always win. So you need to understand about your emotions. And more to the point, we need to make sure we are building a system. You are building a system. It is something you start small, then you grow. Small, then you grow. Small, then you grow. You understand? That is the 5th point. If you understand I am building a system starts from 2, go to 4, go to 8. In that order, it multiplies. And the more it multiplies, the more bigger you become. If you're able to help many people life, let people change through you, automatic, you don't have problem of changing. This is a system. Build it from small and you go to hero. That is starting from 0 degrees, then you go to hero degrees. But people work in the classic. They start from hero degrees, then they go to 0 degrees. Because you work today, you have the energy to do better. Some time to come, you cannot do again. You are retired, nothing comes again. You see that? It means you have started hero at the young age, but you end 0 at the old age. But if you start something 0 today, you have energy. You do small, then it grow. As the energy come down, your business grow. Your money grow. You get more money. You understand? This is something that we need to do as a system building. And the last point I'm going to talk about is associate with the people that you are working with. Always effective communication with them. Association is very, very important. Organization of trainings, organizing yourself everywhere to talk to people, to present people about your business. Educate the people to understand how the technology changes now. Educate the people to understand how to use the mobile phone to make money online. I believe if we are able to follow all these steps, automatically we are going to change our life. There is going to be more videos coming through Commander One TV YouTube channel. You need to try your best and subscribe the channel and listen for more information. There is going to be a lot of videos coming very soon that is going to help all the networkers across the world to change their life. And I have the belief that there is no way. Network marketing, if you believe and you are committed and you are serious to it, there is no way you cannot achieve your dreams. Thank you very much and God bless you all.